high possibility of price coming to test this area, and it never had this chance to cross over it. So now it's actually showing us that there is a reversal, and this is in a 4-hour time frame. What happened after that? Trend started reversing in a downward direction, isn't it? Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So as we can see, today I'm going to show you some really interesting scenario what's unfolding at the moment. So for those people looking for an opportunity to either go long or short, put or call option, for you guys today this might be a very interesting, so better watch it till the end. And also guys, before I continue, smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you're watching this video for the first time. So now let's jump into the content. So guys, let me start with this simple example. Okay, we have talked about this scenario, I know, but this is very important at the moment. That's the reason why I'm actually trying to show you again. And guys, people actually told me that, hey Anup, this scenario here and this scenario here, there are so much like similarities. Why don't you include in your analysis? And I thought I will talk about this today in this video again. So guys, before this crossover, this 100 daily moving average crossing over the 20 daily moving average, which is the green line, that's 20 daily moving average, we can see before the crossover, price had a massive like pump, right? Consolidated, again a massive pump. And then what happened after this crossover? Price came back, right? Found support around the 20 daily moving average and then started continue going in an upper direction. But in our case, same here, the crossover, right? Before the crossover, what happened? We had a similar pump just like here, right? Before the crossover, we can see here, similar pump, consolidation, pump, again consolidation, and then price falling downwards. Same here guys, before the crossover, price came in, consolidated, and then again look, massive pump, and then it fell, finding support exactly at the 20 daily moving average. If you look at here, right, this green line. So people were saying me, that's the reason why everyone was talking about there is so much similarities between this from January and now, right? But guys, look at this one. This here, if you focus properly, it's making higher highs. If you are familiar with dot theory, it's indicating the trend is going to continue, because look, this is the previous high, isn't it? And look, this is the new higher highs, higher lows, and this was the previous low. Now it's making higher highs and higher lows. That's why the trend was continuing in an upper direction. Look at this one. As soon as it broke this pattern, the dot theory pattern, which indicated, hey, now it's actually a lower highs and lower lows, what happened after that? Trend started reversing in a downward direction, isn't it? But if you focus on our case right now, guys, here, you will see there is some difference. In this time, you could see, right, it was making higher highs, higher lows. But look at this one. After the pump, price found support around the 20 daily moving average. Fine, we came back in, right, just like here. But understand this. This is right now another scenario, because we are not making higher highs anymore. This is lower highs. Lower highs, guys. This here is lower highs. You can see here, right? That's why I showed you with this trend line above. And that's why now what I'm actually expecting for Bitcoin right now is moving like this manner, right? So that's why in a wedge, you can see here, this falling wedge is indicating actually that we can see both a reversal, right? It could be either in upper direction, either in a downward direction. So we have to be very careful at the moment, because we have to identify where the breakout is going to happen. Because if this is going to continue, then maybe the price is going to come and test the 8,400 area and then maybe go sideways. So if the price is going to break this trend line here, guys, then we are going to look for short, right? Looking for short opportunities. But if the price is coming above this trend line, guys, and we have to be very careful, because what's going to indicate the breakout is about to happen? The price finding support around the trend line area, and that's where we will enter the market. So I thought I will mention this, because most of the people will be asking me the same question: when should you enter, or when is the best time to like short the market? So now I've showed you here, okay? And also one very interesting fact, what's also happening right now, you can see this is the golden cross ratio, guys. This line you can see, right? We had this golden cross appearing here, and now we are about to witness another golden cross. So if this is going to be the same scenario like here, then after the golden cross, the price actually started declining, isn't it? So if this is going to be the same case, then even this higher highs and higher lows theory is going to pan out, guys. So please do keep your eye on this one. So guys, this here is another example what I actually wanted to share with you. This here is in a 4-hour time frame, right? You can change into like 3-hour or 2-hour, doesn't matter, but 4-hour looks pretty fine here. So now we have also talked about this scenario here appearing plenty of time. Last time when we talked about this, we talked about the bullish Gatling pattern, and also we talked about this bullish butterfly. But now this is going to indicate that right now this looks like a bearish bad pattern, because if you look at these numbers here, guys, and if you try it here, guys, it's panning out really well. Because let me show you, right? This Fibonacci retracement level from high to the leg A area. So look, this reversal, the B area, right? This is a reversal. If you look at here, we're exactly like around 0.5 area. So look, what's actually indicating, it's going to be around the 0.5 or the 0.82 area. So we are exactly in between. So it's perfectly panning out right now. So then again, the leg, right? We can see here what's actually indicating us our price is going to be around this 0.886. And if you look at here, guys, same, right? We are getting exact like numbers. And now after that, a Fibonacci extension level. So we need a Fibonacci extension level. Let's go here and look at this one, guys. Still the leg B area and push back up. Now you can see where the price actually found support, guys. That's very, very interesting, because if you look at here properly, guys, you will see this 1.618 Fibonacci extension level and between this 2.618, right? And that's why it was also properly like panning out here. Exactly at this same level, price started rising just like expected here. Leg C was formed and now we were going for leg D area. And look, this is exactly what's happening, guys. So now it's actually showing us that there is a reversal, and this is in a 4-hour time frame. That's why, guys, I thought I will mention this, because now everything was panning out pretty properly. So this is indicating right now that the price has possibility maybe coming in a downward direction. That's why I thought mentioning this as well at the moment. And guys, keep an eye on this trend line, okay? This is going to be around this 8,700, 8,900 area. Maybe price might test this trend line, and if it's going to break this trend line, our second area for shorting the market would be around this 8,500 area. So do keep an eye on this. And also, guys, for those people, as we know, we are going to talk about the CPI again, because this CPI is very, very important in our technical analysis, because I'll be talking about this in a daily basis. So if you look at here, guys, I told you, right, for those people who are following me on Twitter, they got it exactly. We actually stated clearly that price has possibility coming to test this virgin CPI level again. And you can see here, price found very, very strong resistance around this area. It tried it 3-4 times, but it failed. That's the power of virgin CPI. Then guys, look, the target was reached. And also, yesterday, CPR was a virgin CPR, and people are also calling me this is also a virgin CPR. No, if you focus here, you can see clearly that the price is actually touching the CPR area. So this is not a virgin CPR, but this here was a virgin CPR. So that's why I told price might retest this 9,250 to 9,100 area again if this is going to be virgin CPR. And yesterday, when candle closed above, we knew this was a virgin CPR. So there is a high possibility of price coming to test this area. And what happened after that? Look at this week, guys. It touched the CPR area and then it got support and bounce, started going in upper direction. That's the power of virgin CPR, guys. And also one thing to take into consideration, I showed you, when the CPR is making higher highs, we can see this same CPR is acting as a support. Price found support, it went in upper direction. Look at here, price found support, it went in an upper direction. And this CPR was also an ascending CPR. It was making higher highs. But now in our case, we have to be careful because the price has already started going the CPR level. So now when the price is going downwards, what did I say? This CPR is going to act as a resistance, not support anymore. Support when the price is going in upper direction, but it's going to act as a resistance when price is below the CPR area. So that's also one important thing you have to take into consideration. Also, what I actually wanted to show you is this here, guys. This is a monthly CPR. And what in monthly CPR we can get a better picture. I mean, look at this. This here was a very, very tightly packed CPR, which indicated us the market is not going to go sideways, isn't it? Because this kind of movement here, it's going to be a trending market, right? It's not going to be a sideways market. But if you focus on this monthly CPR, guys, we can see this trend line is the end of this month. Look below, right? 31st of May. So this trend line is going to stay exactly here. It's not going to change. Doesn't matter if you change that like time frame, this CPR is going to stay exactly here. So now you know this is not exactly a narrow CPR, also not a wide CPR, right? It's indicating us maybe at the end of the month the price is going to go in a sideways direction and even test this 8,300 area at the end of this month. So that's why I thought I will show you this monthly CPR. And also, guys, one important thing what I'm sharing with you, since we have already talked about this virgin CPR, but the most powerful thing is a monthly virgin CPR. If you find this here, look, in monthly it's very, very like rare to see this kind of virgin CPR appearing, right? But if you find one, guys, that's a jackpot. This monthly CPR here, we had no touches, right? We can see the price never touched the monthly CPR area. So this indicated clearly that this was a monthly virgin CPR. So what does CPR indicate? I told you this now here line is going to be a very, very strong resistance. So look, next month when the price actually indicated, hey, this is actually a narrow CPR, indicating the volatility is going to be there. But the price, when it came up, look at this, guys, it couldn't break the CPR line, guys. You can see here, that's the power of monthly CPR. So what happened after that? Look at this price move. It went downwards and downward and downward. It never had the chance to cross over it. That's why if you spot, that's why look at this price fall right after that, never got chance to go upward. That's why, guys, it's very like profitable if you can like spot out this kind of monthly VCPR in your chart. And if you also notice, look at this one right here, this was the monthly VCPR. If you draw a line here from this monthly volume CPR, you can notice that this area was also one area where the price actually got like bit trouble crossing it over. Look here, guys, this is the exact area where the price also found very like strong difficulty to cross over it, isn't it? Look here, the same line, the price came really easily, but actually around this area you can see this movement, right? This is the power of monthly VCPR. So if you can spot this kind of like information in your chart, guys, you can definitely going to like get advantage compared to other traders. That's why I'm showing you this CPR formula, tricks and tips. So guys, that's what I actually wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope you guys are enjoying, and if so, please don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Until next time, guys, my name is Anu. Bye bye.